Preparations are already underway to ensure roads stay clear for drivers this weekend. Let's get out to News Channel 5's Emily Luxon. She is at the TDOT Salt Barn. What have they been doing to get ready for this?
Well, take a look here behind me. This is some of the 65,000 tons of salt set aside just for the Middle Tennessee region this winter season. Now, officials say all of the bins are at capacity, and right now supervisors are just monitoring road conditions, and they'll be calling in crews to start using the salt if needed throughout the weekend. Earlier today, the focus was on brining the roads. TDOT has 400,000 gallons of brine stocked up for this year. The brine leaves a residue on the road, and it makes it harder for water to freeze. If and when we start to see a mix of snow or sleet, TDOT crews will then head out to start the salting process on the roads. TDOT officials recommend drivers keep a close watch on the forecast and check road conditions before heading out.
Our biggest concern is bridges and overpasses. The temperatures, from what we can tell, are hovering around the freezing mark. Typically, road temperatures are a couple degrees warmer than air temperatures, but bridges and overpasses are more vulnerable because they have cold air all around.
And since we have a few months of winter weather ahead of us, it's also a good idea to make sure your car is prepared for the season. AAA recommends that you make sure your tires are inflated, your windshield wipers are in good shape. You also want to double check your battery because the cold can really take a toll on that, and make sure your gas tank is always half full. Reporting live in Nashville, Emily Luxon, News Channel 5.
Emily, thanks. A reminder, you'll want to have our Storm Shield app handy, especially if you're going to be out this weekend. The radar, you'll see it just like this, right there on your home screen. You can see the storm moving in right now. You could also get an hour-by-hour forecast. If you don't have the Storm Shield app, it's free to download in your app store.